Hey guys, so welcome to DelftStack. This is how to log out of Spotify. So first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Spotify application into your computer. Now, once you have opened your Spotify, of course, first thing is just simply log in into your account. So I'm gonna select login over here. Now from here, I will just simply go ahead and continue with my Google, or if you have Facebook, you can continue with Facebook, or if you have Apple, you will continue with Apple. And once you have done that, of course, you could just simply go ahead and log in into your account. And once you have logged in into your account, you could just simply select continue to the app. And now, after that, once you have logged in and somehow you want to log out into your account, to do this, you could just simply go ahead and select your profile at the top right corner of the screen. And from here, right away, you will have multiple options on the pop-up. And when you go to the bottom, as you can see, you should be able to see the log out option over here. So just simply select log out, and right after that, automatically your account will not be logged in anymore into the application. And pretty much when the next person have your computer or the next session, they need to log in first in order for them to play the music. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.